Hello students, this is exam time now and all of you are preparing for your final examination. So during this time you may be feeling a little stressed. So today we are going to discuss about some tips and tricks to stay away from the stress and score good marks. What is stress? Simply, a stress is a reaction of body when some changes occur. It may respond emotionally, mentally, physically to the changes. Stress can be positive. It may help you to avoid dangers. Now, what is exam stress? When exams are near, you feel stress because of the pressure of your studies. A small amount of stress is good as it keeps you engaged in studies, but too much of stress may cause problems and may distract you from your studies. But students, don't get stressed. Let's prepare. If you are undergoing exam stress, you may be feeling confused, staying alone, low feeling, lack of motivation, trouble in speaking, headaches and feeling upset or sick. Okay, tell me, how many hours do you study in a day?
2 hours in the morning and 3 hours at night.
3 hours in the morning, 3 hours at night. 2 hours in the morning and 3 hours at night.
1 hour in the morning, 1 hour at night.
Okay, the first fear that a student may face is the fear of failure. He may think that he will not be able to score good marks, and that is the fear of failure. There is always a fear whether he will score good marks or not. Now tell me, are you nervous because of your exams?
Yes, I'm nervous.
Yes, I am nervous.
No, I'm not.
Many students prefer to do the last minute preparations. This is not advisable because as the time passes, you will see that there are more things to cover up and the syllabus is not completed at the time. Okay, now tell me, all your preparations for the exams are over?
Yes.
Yes, I am yes.
Next is the very most common problem that I came along, that is the shortage of time. When a student starts preparing his studies, there is a shortage of time. The clock seems to be running very fast. So avoid this problem. Complete your entire syllabus at the expected time. Next is the expectation or pressure from the parents. Every parent expects his ward to do better and score good marks. Sometimes this may even lead to a stress. So are you feeling any kind of pressure from your teacher or parents? Next is the lack of confidence. There are some students who can really score well, but they don't believe in themselves and there is a lack of confidence in them, and this leads to a very bad results. So believe in yourself, you can do very good. There are some students who have lack of confidence in themselves and fear the competition. They always believe that he cannot score well, but the other one will score better than him or her. So learn to believe in yourself. It is seen that many of the students get sick during the examination time. It's not related to the health problems but the exam problems. They don't have confidence in themselves. So what you say, you will be the topper in your class this year? Am I right? Next, we will see how to plan your studies during the examination time. Health is the most important thing, so exercise and eat healthy. Don't take heavy diets as it may make you sick. And if you are taking tea, coffee, or any other drinks, cut out your intakes for some time. And next thing, for studies, you have to try to study as per your timetable. Revise every day. Don't be under pressure and use flashcard to remember the things very easily. Leave your worries behind. Have a good sleep at the scheduled time. During studies, have short breaks. Next thing, you have to practice with sample paper and note down the timing. Means how much time you are taking to complete that paper. Practice more and use the mind maps. And the most important things, you have to stay away from the social media. Keep your mobile phones, laptops, and every other things that may distract you from your studies for some time. And this may result very good. I'm sure you will score very good marks in your examination. So here is the best wishes from me and my team to all of you who are preparing for final examination. So take care and show that you are the best. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.